Hello guys, in today's video I'm doing a voiceover and we are going to be doing cooking. Now let's get started. First we're going to be making pork chops. Let's make some pork chops. Cause that seems delicious. So we're going to make pork chops and spaghetti. What first we're going to do is fry it. And sorry if you can hear my mom in the background because she's like mean. Anyways, you're gonna cook the ugly meat. It looks horrible. Yeah, get three, salts, 3 more salts again to make it even more saltier, to hurt us to death, like to hurt our lungs. And we're gonna bake it. While we're baking it, what's that? Okay, never mind. See that the little gummy bears? Never mind. Okay, we're just gonna be waiting and waiting. I will tell you when we're done.
Who does this girl think she is? I'm playing my Jurassic World music. Okay, anyways, this stranger was a stranger in my house, and I'm gonna go block her real quick. So be right back.
Oh no.
Okay, anyways, what am I going to? Oh my god, what the? Okay, we're gonna be garnishing it, and after that, we get finished. Like I just did it. Yeah, it's so fake. Don't eat this, okay? Even though this is Roblox, don't eat the disgusting food. Yeah, that's how you make the nasty food. Yeah.
Girl, bye. You ugly as fuck.
Let's eat it. Let's look at that. Let's eat that and see and make us die to death. We all wanna die, right? let animals go to heaven. Don't kill them. Okay, then we're gonna be making spaghetti. Let's make the spaghetti and meatballs. Looks so disgusting right now. This is fake, okay, guys? This is really fake. If you wanna die, then watch this video, okay? Rest in peace, X. Anyways, we're going garnet. Was this forming? Yeah, forming it with our Lego hands, and let's fry them. We could fry spaghetti. Guys. Anyways, we're going to do 3 cups of salt and just do the meatballs all over again. Look at those Play-Doh. This is actually Play-Doh, okay, guys? We're gonna be like cooking that. What is that? Okay, never mind. What happened to my walls? What happened to my roof? Anyways, we're gonna be boiling them again. Let's boil this baby up. Oh, what in the heck does that look like noodles to me? What does that look like noodles? Oh my gosh, never mind. We're gonna put it on our head. Yeah, let's pour it on our head. Yeah, that's the greatest thing ever. Okay, guys, we finished the process of this disgusting Play-Doh spaghetti I made. I hope you don't eat it because you probably will die to death. And we're gonna do a taste testing just to kill myself because I don't really like my Roblox character at all. It's like really ugly. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 meatballs. Yeah. Nom 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 nom. Good meatballs. Okay, let's put them back inside my refrigerator. put those two on the table, and you can just put them in your refrigerator if you want to. You can make them extremely cold. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like my horrible, disgusting video. I promise I'll post better videos than this horrible video. Yeah, y'all been the best support ever. Yeah, I just love y'all. I made it 12 subscribers. Anyways, bye.
I wanna be with you. Hey, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Hey, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you.